Life barrels forward like a runaway train, a cacophony of deadlines, commitments, and ever-shifting priorities. Our minds race alongside, juggling plates and chasing moments, forgetting to breathe, forgetting to be. But amidst the chaos, a tiny seed of stillness persists. Mindfulness becomes your tuning fork, inviting you to pause, to hear the symphony of the present moment, the hum of a passing car, the warmth of sunlight on your skin, the gentle rhythm of your own breath. This video is your conductor's baton, revealing quick, potent techniques to weave mindfulness into your on-the-go reality, transforming fleeting moments into havens of calm, even in the whirlwind of your busy life. Stop. Breathe. Don't scroll past mindfulness. Is your life a bullet train hurtling through a blur of deadlines, emails, and to-do lists? Do moments of peace feel like fleeting glances at passing scenery? Relax, weary travelers. Today, we're pulling the mindfulness emergency brake, teaching you quick techniques to sprinkle Zen dust your busy lives. Imagine mindfulness as a pocket-sized oasis, accessible no matter how fast the train hurtles. We'll explore bite-sized practices you can squeeze into your day, like 5-minute meditations during elevator rides or mindful breaths between traffic lights. Ditch the guilt of long yoga sessions, embrace the power of micro-moments, and transform your journey into a mindful masterpiece. So, welcome to the Soul Path. Hit that subscribe button and grab your metaphorical portable Zen garden. Together, we'll turn those stolen seconds into pockets of calm, cultivate inner peace amidst the chaos, and prove that mindfulness isn't a destination, it's a journey you can take on the go. And if these quick hacks keep you from losing your mind amongst the madness, consider a super thanks tip. It fuels the mindfulness train for everyone. Remember, even the busiest train can benefit from a mindful conductor. Let's sprinkle Zen seeds throughout your schedule, watch them blossom into moments of peace, and create a happy, centered you, even when life feels like a non-stop express. Bon voyage! In the whirlwind of our hectic lives, finding moments of tranquility can be a challenge. Yet, amidst the chaos, the practice of mindfulness offers a sanctuary, a way to cultivate calm and center ourselves, even in the busiest of moments. In this video, we'll explore quick and effective mindfulness techniques that you can seamlessly integrate into your on-the-go lifestyle, allowing you to find calm in just a minute. One, mindful breathing, the instant reset. The breath is a powerful anchor to the present moment, and mindful breathing serves as an instant reset button for our often scattered minds. Whether you're stuck in traffic, waiting in line, or between back-to-back meetings, a minute of focused breathing can bring a sense of calm and clarity. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold your breath for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and pause for 4 counts before beginning again. This simple yet potent practice helps regulate your breath, slows your heart rate, and brings a refreshing wave of calm to your mind. 2. Mindful walking, moving with awareness. When you're on the move, such as during a quick break or a lunchtime stroll, transform your steps into a mindful practice. Mindful walking involves paying attention to each step, the sensation of your feet connecting with the ground, and the rhythm of your movement. As you walk, bring your awareness to the sensation of each step. Feel the ground beneath your feet, notice the movement of your body, and synchronize your breath with your steps. This simple practice not only brings mindfulness into your day but also invigorates your body and mind. 3. Micro-mindfulness, tiny moments, big impact. In the midst of a bustling day, it's the small moments that can make a significant difference. Micro-mindfulness involves infusing tiny pockets of mindfulness into your routine, moments that may seem inconsequential but have a cumulative effect on your overall well-being. Take advantage of ordinary moments, like waiting for an elevator, brewing your morning coffee, or standing in line. During these brief interludes, bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. By embracing these micro moments, you weave a continuous thread of mindfulness throughout your day. Four, body scan, tension release in minutes. Physical tension often accompanies our busy lives, and a quick body scan is a potent tool for releasing stress and fostering a sense of relaxation. This technique involves bringing attention to different parts of your body, consciously releasing tension and promoting a sense of ease. Start by focusing on your toes, gradually moving up through each part of your body. With each breath, consciously release any tension you encounter. By the time you reach the top of your head, you'll likely feel a noticeable shift in your overall sense of well-being. 5. Gratitude pause, elevate your perspective. Amidst the rush of daily tasks, taking a moment to pause and express gratitude can be a transformative practice. Gratitude has the power to shift your perspective, instill a sense of positivity, and bring a touch of mindfulness into your busy schedule. Pause for a minute and reflect on one thing you're grateful for in that moment. It could be a person, a simple pleasure, or a positive aspect of your day. Engaging in this quick gratitude exercise can bring a sense of appreciation and mindfulness to your on-the-go routine. Six, mindful listening, tune in, tune out noise. In a world filled with constant noise, taking a moment to engage in mindful listening can be a refuge. This technique involves focusing your attention on the sounds around you, embracing the auditory landscape without judgment. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds in your environment. Notice the subtle nuances, the hum of electronics, distant chatter, or the rustle of leaves. This practice not only anchors you in the present moment but also enhances your capacity to tune in and out of the auditory chaos around you. 7. Visual mindfulness, rest your eyes and reset. Our eyes are often strained by screens and visual stimuli. A quick visual mindfulness practice can provide relief, ease eye strain, and bring a sense of calm to your busy day. Find a focal point, preferably in nature if possible, or simply gaze at a distant object. Allow your eyes to rest on the chosen point, blink slowly, and soften your gaze. This visual pause helps relax your eye muscles and offers a moment of tranquility amid the visual noise. Incorporating these quick mindfulness techniques into your on-the-go routine can be a game changer, offering moments of respite and cultivating a more grounded and centered approach to your day. Remember, the beauty of these practices lies in their simplicity. Mindfulness need not be time-consuming to be effective. So, whether you're waiting for your next appointment or grabbing a quick coffee, seize these opportunities to find calm in just a minute, nurturing your well-being in the midst of life's hustle and bustle. As we conclude our journey into mindfulness on the go, I'm reminded of the wisdom encapsulated in a quote by the renowned spiritual teacher Thich Nhat Hanh: "Smile, breathe, and go slowly." These simple words carry profound significance, urging us to infuse our hurried lives with mindful pauses, conscious breaths, and deliberate presence. The techniques we've explored, mindful breathing, walking, micro-mindfulness, body scans, gratitude pauses, mindful listening, and visual mindfulness, are not just tools, they are invitations to reclaim moments of serenity amidst the chaos. By dedicating as little as a minute to these practices, you empower yourself to navigate the demands of a fast-paced life with grace and resilience. Micro-mindfulness, in particular, serves as a reminder that even the briefest moments of awareness can have a ripple effect on our overall well-being. Those seconds spent waiting for an elevator or sipping a cup of tea become opportunities to ground ourselves in the present, fostering a continuous thread of mindfulness throughout the day. It's the recognition that these micro-moments, seemingly inconsequential, can accumulate to shape our mental landscape, making us more resilient and attuned to the beauty of the present moment. Mindfulness on the go is not about carving out extensive periods for meditation, it's about seamlessly integrating mindfulness into the fabric of your daily life. The 1-minute practices we've explored are like windows opening to a tranquil landscape, inviting you to pause, breathe, and recalibrate. Whether you're in the midst of a hectic day or caught in the ebb and flow of constant activity, these practices serve as your allies, ready to offer a moment of calm whenever you need it. In essence, these 1-minute mindfulness techniques encourage you to cultivate a mindful lifestyle, one that doesn't require grand gestures but thrives on the daily tapestry of presence you weave. As you navigate through the demands of your busy life, remember that finding calm in a minute is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for your mental and emotional well-being. It's a gentle rebellion against the relentless pace of modern life, a conscious choice to prioritize your inner peace amid external chaos. In the words of Jon Kabat-Zinn, the pioneer of mindfulness-based stress reduction, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. As you continue your journey into mindfulness on the go, consider these techniques as your surfboard, enabling you to ride the waves of life with balance and grace. Embrace the power of micro-moments, savor the simplicity of 1-minute practices, and let mindfulness become a companion in every step of your journey. So, smile, breathe, and go slowly. In the midst of life's hustle, may you find solace in these brief moments of mindfulness, cultivating a reservoir of calm that sustains you throughout the day. The beauty lies not just in the destination but in the awareness and presence you bring to each fleeting moment, making every minute an opportunity to find serenity and anchor yourself in the ever-changing currents of life. Take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of these quick techniques designed to infuse calm into even the busiest of lives. In a world that constantly demands our attention, these mindful minute practices serve as beacons of tranquility, reminding us that peace is always within reach, no matter how hectic our schedules may be. If you found solace in the brief moments of mindfulness shared here, consider sharing this video with fellow warriors in the daily hustle. Let's spread the gift of instant calm and make mindfulness a readily accessible tool for all, regardless of the pace of their lives. To stay connected with our ongoing exploration of mindfulness in the midst of busyness, hit that subscribe button. Your support is the heartbeat of our community, inspiring the creation of content tailored to fit seamlessly into your fast-paced life. And for those who want to express a little extra gratitude, the super thanks button, if available, is a wonderful way to show your support. As we conclude this whirlwind of tranquility, I want to express my heartfelt thanks. May these on-the-go techniques serve as your steadfast companions in the journey of finding calm amidst chaos. Until our paths cross again in the next video, may your days be filled with mindful moments, your heart with peace, and your steps with purpose. Take care, and see you again soon.